Right then, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Triumph Stag, here she is, look. A 10-footer really, folks. Yeah, paint finish, paint work, paint finish leaves a little bit to be desired. But, as I say, from 10 foot, scooting along, she looks lovely. Look, there you go. There she is. Interior is okay, look, tidy, no headrests. She's okay in there. Manual, as you can see. There you go, look. Oh, she's got a big long gear stick in it. There she is. Starts up, no problem. Don't have oil pressure gauges, these ones, do they? No. So there you go, he starts up okay. It's one I'd like you to come and have a look at. Come along, see what you think. I'll just pop that bonnet while I'm here. Or not, there's no bonnet pull there. Other side. Some trim there to go around the front windscreen, I think. There we go, look. Good in there, look. So, bit of that chrome tape stuff on here, look. So, it's one I'd like you to come and have a look at. Please take the time to trundle up, have a closer look, see if it's one for you. Thank you.